Hey, good day everyone. Check out these handheld arm jacks I have here. Comes with 2 arm jacks in the box and a pair of gloves. Got some grip on the gloves here for handling these things and for safety. So they call this the suspension plate, and it's got some graduations on here in inches and millimeters. It's got this handle, this clamp right here, and you can see, jack it up there, and then you can jack it down a little bit in small increments right there. You'll notice it's making its way down. And then if you want to drop it all the way down, it's this trigger right there. And you'll notice too, it drops just below that base plate. So you can come from a negative elevation there and then bring it all the way up. Right, here's an example. Let's say you have a really heavy item, furniture. You can use these things as leverage to help lift them up and move them around. Even if something's not flat on the floor, you can adjust it, bring it up a little bit. That one locked in. Bring it up a little bit. You can operate them both at the same time. I've got this carport here I want to go ahead and level out with those clamps. You can see it's not level right now. So I'm going to go ahead and, it's super heavy, and so it's not like I can do it with anything else. So for this huge structure here, I need to get under this bottom rail here. It's kind of hard to see, but I went ahead and strung a line all the way across. Got it in the same spot on each one here, and I just got my line level hanging right there, and you can see it is not level. This left side here needs to come up. I got 4 of these. I'm gonna go ahead and slide those under there and jack it up like that. All right, here we go. Here's the whole length of the thing. Thanks to these lifting clamps, I got this thing all level. So really happy with these things. Highly recommend them for doing stuff like this. They're also great for busting pallets apart too. And got the carport all level. Thank you for watching.